Closer. Now. Closer. Still. Closer. Now. There's nothing in the world which compares to this.
As I have been moving about among people of Earth, it becomes more apparent day by day to me of the need of man upon this planet to learn more of the inner man, or to come into a realization of what he really is. I find that man has very little realization of his potentialities, so to speak. I have checked or investigated, as you would say, many of your races, and I find that this condition is quite prevalent wherever I go. But I do find that man is becoming more, shall we say, curious about himself. He is beginning to want to know. He is beginning to have somewhat of a curiosity, shall we say. I say have some trouble expressing in your language, so if you will bear with me, I will try to do my best. For some time now, I have been among the people behind the former Iron Curtain, as you would say. There is great need there for light workers, but you would be surprised too, my friends, to find that there too, as in your country, people are seeking to know the truth. I would say that they perhaps have to work a little more undercover, but nevertheless, there are those people here who are seeking, and we who are truly working in the light are interested in all peoples who are seeking truth. But here are many people who are also attempting to discover who and what they are. They are asking, what is this inner man? What do I consist of? What makes me function? Where are my powers, my capabilities? What can I accomplish? Man is quite complex, yet man is quite simple when he is understood. But you see, as we exit in this physical, chemical plane of existence, this, I might add, this dream world, for in reality, this plane of existence is a dream world and is not the real existence of man. For man is truly not what you see here as man. In reality, he is a spiritual being, and he has great power within him to create. Once he can open his consciousness and really begin to see and realize who and what he is, finds himself in possession of tremendous powers. Those beings who truly have this understanding have no problems in having anything that their consciousness can conceive of. Or for man is truly consciousness, and he can create for himself anything that he can bring within his consciousness. There has stood among you tonight, my friends, a being of this nature. Whether or not you knew this depends upon your awareness. Can you conceive, my friends, of being able to bring into being anything that you desire? Space is full of substance. Everything that ever was or ever shall be now exists. It is merely a matter of transforming energies or substance into whatever you desire to create. Mind has great power. It is a matter of utilizing these powers to the good of yourself and to the good of mankind. Man has no limitations in his true being, but you see, We create a dream world of obstacles. We do not look beyond what we think as reality into the true reality. So, my friends, realize that you have created for yourself a world of lack, of illness, and begin to see beyond these things. Instead of recognizing what you believe to be real, look beyond and see perfection. See a world of plenty, of health, of happiness, and learn to expect and accept these things. You see, you have to begin to know, not to believe, but to know. Believing is not enough. Faith is not enough. You have to know. Does this make sense to you, my friends? Then let us know, let us not believe. Let us go forth with the knowing that we are all powerful, that we can create that which we want and need. But let us also be humble, be grateful. Let us be ever reverent to our Creator. And let us have always upon our lips a song of thankfulness, of appreciation, and a desire to serve our fellow man. Also, let us build within us a consciousness of love, of true love and understanding for our brother creators. And let us always use our powers in a way that will benefit all mankind. For when we use these powers selfishly, greedily, our benefits will not bring us peace, happiness, or well-being. So, my friends, let us go forth and hold our heads high. Let us look up and out to our Creator, knowing that we and our Creator are one, that the Creator dwells always within each of us. Therefore, we are endowed with all of the Creator's powers. We need only to call them forth. My friends, it has been my pleasure to again be with you. I wish to extend my thanks and my gratitude for accepting me into your midst. I hope I have been of some service to you. If I have, then I am happy. As I leave, I extend to you my deepest love and understanding, and I hope you will extend yours to me. Thank you, my friends. It has been my pleasure. Adone.